coast. We are on the Granite Rose coast. Look at the size of these rocks. They're massive. We're actually heading to the coast to go out to a little island. But that is ridiculous. That's massive.
Oh, you wanted to be a pink granite.
That is the pink. We are on the Granite Rose coast at the moment, so yeah. Let's go. I know. Oh my God, look at it. It's just balanced on there by a little tiny bit. That's ridiculous. Oh, it's a nice little harbour. Oh my Lord. Well, this is the most bizarre looking coastline I've ever seen. Is that over there? And then look over here. That's definitely pink. So we're on this little beach and the rocks on it are bonkers. Have a look at that here. This is definitely the pink granite rose coast in Brittany. Big rocks. Very big rocks. Look at that one over there, just stood on the edge. That's amazing, amazing coastline. I've never seen anything like that. And it's a beautiful September day. Look at that. The water is crystal clear. You can see through the water. And another little beach around the corner, look. I love it how they just build walls in between the rocks. They don't move the rocks, they just build walls in between the rocks. Beautiful. At the path. Wow. That looks like you could be like in the Bahamas or something. And that lovely little bay where you can just go and have a little dip. Well, we thought we'd seen some Brittany coastline, but crikey. It almost looks like it's almost an alien landscape, isn't it? Yeah, look at them. Look at the big rocks just everywhere. Oh, and look what's coming up here. It's just every corner, everywhere you turn, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Size of them. Oh, Bernie's shouting me. Wow, stand under that then. Don't knock it off! Look at that! Stay there, stay there. Look at it, it's just stood tiny standing on it. That is absolutely bonkers. It's like a giant toadstool. And then it's got... it's got a hole. Ah, and it just goes on and on and on. Look. Just all along this coast. It's great, isn't it? Every corner you go around. Look at that for a picture. Amazing. Crazy fantasy island.
What fantasy? Yeah.
Look. It's like a fantasy island. It's like who was that sculptor? Moore. Just like a Moore sculpture. Whoa! Look at the size of these rocks, Bernard. Whoa, you be careful! Whoa! Oh look, the sun coming through. We're in a walkway here. Wow! The size of these rocks is absolutely astronomical. There's Bernard. I can't even get the rock in. Hang on. Okay, there's Bernard There's the rock. Wow. They're absolutely humongous.
You stay up here, just shoot you from down there. Not from here, I can't.
Big rocks. Huge. That's pretty awesome, that, isn't it? Amazing. Love it. Here we are, look. Come out onto the other side of the island. So quiet as well. No traffic, no cars. I think, and we've been to some nice places, I think this is one of the most beautiful, tranquil places I've been to so far. Absolutely gorgeous. There's little nooks and crannies with these little benches everywhere. And it's off season now, so it's not busy, but look at it. There's a pretty little harbour, look. So head back to the van. So our little trip of the island finished. Jurassic Island. It's awesome. So there we are. We have spent 2 fantastic weeks exploring Brittany in the gorgeous September sunshine. We couldn't have asked for better weather. It's been a great time. We've seen some fantastic things. Beautiful coast. The pink granite coast is awesome. You need to go and see it to appreciate it. It's beautiful. Have you had a good time, Bernie? Thumbs up from Bernie, so it must have been alright. Well, this is it for France this year, so we shall say au revoir to France, and we'll probably come back some more next year, I should imagine. In fact, definitely next year. But until then, au revoir.